Hi, I'm Dr. Nidhi Booch. I come from Gujarat National Law University. I head the Center for Excellence established by GNLU on intellectual property rights, and I'm also assistant professor of law there. Talking about GNLU, friends, it is one of India's leading law university. It has been ranked as one of the best law schools in the country. GNLU has a global network of partner institutions in 13 countries across 5 continents for academic and research collaboration. So we are a national law school having national as well as international collaborations. In fact, knowing about IPTSE is through students. In this age of technology, students definitely keep a pace better with the technology, I think, compared to the institution. So that's how we have come to know. And number of our students are joining this particular initiative and are learning about intellectual property rights, which is a matter of great pride for us. And we are very happy that our students are getting such opportunities. In fact, intellectual property rights is a subject which is, which is part and parcel of human life. Starting from an alarm clock that annoys us in the morning to the novel or whatever you read before going to sleep, anything and everything you talk about has something to do with intellectual property. Especially the pandemic has taught us how important intellectual property rights are, how important being creative is, and probably that's the way we are trying to overcome this difficult time. Otherwise, it would not have been possible. Having said that, for being a national law school, law subjects, of course, all law subjects are very important. Hence, intellectual property is also part and parcel of it. And recognizing its growing significance, we have established a center for excellence that is in the field of intellectual property rights. And we are extensively working on all fronts, starting from teaching, research, extension, and training. It definitely is helping. The thing is that, these kind of initiatives apart from educational institute definitely can help extensively to these young students get more information and knowledge on intellectual property, because these are the these are the initiatives which require them to keep themselves updated with the knowledge which is there in the field of intellectual property, and they are being assessed on it. So of course this is something which will be of great help to students, and this is the age of experts, and of course IP is such a field where we need more and more experts to come in, those who can work for lawmaking, those who can work for policy framing, those who can work in academia and add a lot to our knowledge base. So I am very glad with this initiative, and it is definitely helping students, and it is going to help more number of students in coming years, because this is now being recognized by students across India. Being recognized for your students is something which I think as a teacher or as an educational institute, it's something just the best that can happen to us. So I am absolutely delighted with this award, and more number of students, I am sure, with this kind of recognition will come forward and participate. We have a center which is established, which is known as GNLU Center for Intellectual Property Rights. And this center is established in January 2016. So this center is established with a very clear threefold objectives: to encourage academic discourse on intellectual property and allied subjects, to develop research plans for exclusive on-field studies, and to create a better awareness among stakeholders by designing and conducting programs. So with this broad objective, initiatives. We are working in this particular field since last 5 years, and with the recognition of our efforts, GNLU has got 3 chairs established. So with all these 3 chairs, the center is working hard, and the center is trying to generate as much awareness as possible among the stakeholders, and is also trying to work in all areas of teaching, research, training, and educational activities. We have recently come out, we have recently launched the another academic program, which is PG Diploma in Intellectual Property Rights, and we have received a great response for it. We conduct on regular basis various courses with startups also, and we try and go to field and generate awareness with regard to geographical indications also. Some of the on-field studies have been conducted, and we are working with the artisans also. So starting from patent, trademark, copyright, GI, and industrial design, all these major types of IP we are focusing on and working out with.